Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix a frozen or unresponsive laptop. If it's a Windows 10, 11, or any Windows computer, you can follow these steps without deleting any of your data, and a quick, easy way to fix it. So all you do is, let's say it's frozen, you can't do anything. You're going to locate the power button, which is usually on the top right corner on your keyboard, and you're just going to keep on holding it. You're going to press and hold and just keep on holding it, and you might have a problem. It's a slide to shut down or something. Just keep on holding it. You're gonna wait, and you can see your screen went black, which is great, and we're gonna let go. And once you hear that it's completely turned off, shut down, you don't hear anything, you're gonna go back and press on to the power key again, and then we're gonna wait to see if we can get the logo to appear of our computer here. So let's see, we get the logo, and then let go. Sometimes you may have to let go until you see, depending on your model, but essentially you're trying to get the logo to appear. Sometimes you may need to hold it down for 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, again depending on the model. It's going to be slightly different, but that is going to go ahead and fix a frozen or stuck computer that you have. As you can see here, I'm back into my laptop. Again, this is safe to do. Your data will not get deleted or anything. Everything on your laptop will still be on your phone. It's basically forcing it to completely power down and then power cycle back up. So I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.